Shopify has over 3,200 apps in its App Store, and I'll share the 5 best apps with you in this video. These apps are gonna make your store better and let you generate more revenue. So let's get started. So assuming you already have added your products with CJdropshipping, the first app you need to download is gempages. Gempages is a landing page builder that lets you customize your Shopify store even more. I already have an in-depth video on how to use it, so I'm not gonna go over it in this video, but it is definitely an essential tool to make your Shopify store stand out. The next app is Luke's Reviews. Reviews are a must-have to make your Shopify store more trustworthy, and in fact, 93% of customers look at reviews before ordering a product. So if you don't have reviews, you might be missing out on a ton of sales. To use Luke's Reviews, install it from the App Store and then go to Import Reviews. There you need to drag it into your bookmarks. Then go to the AliExpress listing for your product and choose the one with the most orders. Then click the bookmark, and then it's basically Tinder with reviews. The reason I choose Luke's Reviews is that it works really well with gempages. Just add it here and then choose between reviews and star badge. And done! The next app is probably the best app you can download, and it's called Vitals. Vitals is an app with over 40 different features. Here I recommend the sticky Add to Cart, so the customer always can see the Add to Cart button. Then also the accelerated checkout, so the customer skips the cart page and goes directly to checkout. Another good feature is the scroll to top button. And the last thing I highly recommend is the visitor replays. This is probably one of the most important tools you can have on your website. It lets you see the customer's landing page, exit page, platform, pages seen, when they were visiting your store, the duration, and how many sessions. There's even a live recording, so you can see how your customer behaves. This is genius for troubleshooting why your store isn't getting sales. There are a lot of different features. Just make sure not to use all of them, so your store ends up looking scammy and untrustworthy. The next app is Aftersell. Aftersell is a post-purchase upsell app that gives your customer a new offer after they placed an order. Post-purchase upsells are incredibly strong, and since they only appear after the customer already has purchased, it doesn't interrupt the customer while checking out, and the best part is that it only takes one click for the customer to buy your extra item. So let's say you're selling this brush, but you are also selling a brush holder. Then you can add the holder as an upsell and edit the offer to whatever you want. I usually go something like, "Your order is confirmed, but," and then your offer underneath. If you don't have a post-purchase upsell, you're missing out on a ton of money. The last must-have app is Klaviyo. Klaviyo is an email app that lets you send email flows and campaigns to your customer. But we are only gonna make a quick abandoned cart email in this video. So go into Flows and click Create Flow. Then just pick this one. Then delete and delete both paths. Then we're gonna add a delay for 20 minutes, followed by an email. Then click the dots and edit. Then I usually just use ChatGPT to write an email. Write an abandoned cart email to a customer explaining if they check out now, they get 10% off their order, but the discount code is only available for 12 hours. Explain that they really need this self-cleaning hair brush to make their life easier. This is pretty good. Then click this button. Actually, let's make it shorter. Perfect. And now, write a subject line. Then our email is done. Remember to change the sender name and sender email address. Then click Done and turn it on. These are the 5 must-have Shopify apps for dropshipping. Now let's go over the numbers. CJdropshipping is forever free. Gempages is also free, but you can only have one published page. Otherwise, it's $29 a month. Luke's Reviews have a 14-day free trial, then it's $10 a month. Vitals has a 30-day free trial, then it's $30 a month. Aftersell also has a 30-day free trial, and afterwards it has a free plan for 0 to 50 orders a month. And Klaviyo is free up to 250 contacts. By the way, if you haven't already, make sure to join my Discord for a lot of free resources, behind the scenes, and just generally talk about dropshipping. And it's free, of course. By the way, this is the video where I show how to use gempages. It has 5,346 likes, so maybe you will like it as well.